This is freaking ridiculous. It is a flood in here. I mean, absolutely ridiculous. We didn't bring our scuba gear to hang sprinkler pipe today, unfortunately. The only dry spot over there that we hung last week. Oh yeah, the porta-john over there. You gotta swim to it. It's like a moat. You gotta swim to the company truck. Everything is falling apart and soaked. Gloves are toast. I mean, buckets are full of water. You got to put a hanger on up there, you get soaked. If there was temporary power here, they'd probably call this job off. I don't know why they haven't. But at least I got an air conditioner. Anybody want to come hang a sprinkler pipe? Look at that, already got a built-in waterfall. That's about 2 inches. I got rain-proof boots on, waterproof boots. I've been standing in it long enough today that they've almost soaked through waterproof leather boots. But anyway, yeah, look at that over there. Think that's safe? That's all power. Luckily, these are LED lights, so I don't know what we're gonna do. Anyway, peace out. See you on the flip side.